Tema West, chairman of the New Patriotic Party, Yenia Kwesipoku ending komo. Kwesipoku na mpachola how to say. That's a radio now what test word maybe now what here no. Na minua mechiri bana na test radio no so. There be appointment no na o me no sha me there be nyabotre. Anya radio so ne e be kasa asem we. Woni me asise appointment. Eda na du my friend. Eda na du my friend. One fa. Na one fa sa na me nya ne den. Me so me nim baby out. So for no go out there. Yes. 57 years.
And I consider 27 years, I'm 28 years, I'm my idea was
and you know, you bet me I can say 27 or 28 against against 57. Where the more mutual look to the bit me. Chama kwesipo we na say e ma akwa baba for God and country ejubede so but now yeah oh yeah hu ya pa now no ye say NPP amanyoku no mo o matete sam committees are wo mate no yes 4 aspirants ni nyina no part of the committee wo mo begina amanyoku no and I know say as part of the 4 committees you know Honorable Kennedy Japan can say 4 committees and I know say now when I regional campaign coordinator for the Greater Accra region and you are very very close to him. There's an information we would want to tap from you. San Commando Beto Jano Honorable Kennedy Japan Majidi Pisa Wate on wedding Komo Dana Kennedy Eka.
For the past 2 weeks, Papa has been in China. There's a company, the different company, they are on the sprinters on the motorway, on Tema specifically. And you know what China, Papa will do on Tuesday, meaning this year on Wednesday, will be prompting Papa said, so who on social media said appointment and their money. Whoever on civil idea that they should bring all the people on board, give everybody a role to play and front the person. And sometimes you can do a good thing, and when you don't do it at the right time, and you don't do it well, like before. I want to put on record say, Nipa ultimately at the end of Abontia, not only Papa and Kasa didn't help the party. So Papa was surprised. I am okay, you got to Papa, you must say, job creation, maybe I don't make it. That's the part that you say, oh no, what it make it jobs. But the only problem, and then so I won't say, obviously, we can't go platforms and actually Papa and come out. But for me, as a party person, I think it was a point on the right direction.
You know, Honorable Kennedy Japan. Obiani na ama medin komo amfa say one appointing as a co-chair of the policy committee for the 2028 elections. Nkomo die bia ankoso.
That's one put me on record. That me mistake. That one year na me. Yeah, but if you about indicate and you can say congratulations and of the then anybody so he saw it for the first time on social media, which I feel that the motive of Adiano Ankasa is good. By the way it was communicated, that's why the people are the SOMPA FM.
But in common way in the better Jano, some briefings I've also had on the sideline indicated say the flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party for the 2028 elections. Wabra na obon twa asrasra the 1 year musia kind no dia san komodie no ekoso. And now you are telling us that was not the case with Honorable Kennedy Japan, because we cannot speak for the other aspirants.
There's too much tension in the system.
tension.
And if baby cut out any Fabano, phenomenon or problem that will be it's a new Yamso. Ego was brief, some of the Canada. Emma, for some time now, or for me, I thought that reconciliation is good. Reconciliation must come with mutual respect. And it's and quality of the form. Because committee, no, but I didn't need a committee. So, only is obviously no matter committee, so, and the Akuma, and your master. This is my opinion anyway. And yes, there was a general statement, and the manifesto promise from one of the It was a good initiative. Anyway, it's not going to say true, and I'm moving to I didn't share what's going to say. A new schedule, the new scenario, but me can do that. I know, I'm going to tell you that. Party near must possibility be among the bush, there's just a party that I had tossing you one, and that in our Akumaso. You have a candidate, let's put on record, and you be my NPP among you. And you and Yama, I want to execute for. And in community, you won't come again. And I'm told that was brought to council. And because now, Papa no our China, the area on back, and the really need to council a communicating man, Nanka. Yeah, Papa, you're calling me. You see, A, B, and C, of course, and I'll say this. The excellency, it is like I said, the two for now with my years from. If you really put on and I don't believe in Government own data. I don't go to nothing. Media house, need friends that say, if you are more post, not as a post there. All the year, and out of me, Stephen Propaganda, already like a hot two, say, or no say, or no, Papa say, okay, it will go through. The letter of one silent of the one in Casam. The one among you of this smelling each other with this other far. So why would somebody go and write and there's also on the moment proper impeachment are not, it gives room for those who want to say your phone and the that was not coming from his outfit.
And you know, you better kind of say adventure a party no ediaba no adventure no dear what can I say adventure papa na mum Kennedy was not consulted before throwing this into the media space. And again, would you agree to the fact that diakoso no party no amfa ni die ni obuo and I said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, who is the leader of the party now, amfa obuo ni die amfa Honorable Kennedy Japan now?
For me, we may use the proposal of Bawumia and Nancy. It was discussed our neck communications. Communications.
Okay, that's fine.
The next has to be implemented. We have the implemented agents or implemented officers there who have to do the duty. Let me put on this your record. When I can't say we have to start caring, and I'm going to say, as let me say that, let me see caring as a part of them. But when I see until reality. And also, we need Yaman or Busu, the North. If you are saying, and son, oh my God, the different matter. You need my neck, a communication in him, or living in principle about sometimes. Oh, never one again, but who can be no people now within this year. Well, honorable bank, example, Manchester is opening, I'm not a consultant. Now, if you room for somebody to ask, Adam McKinney, the air consultant. But this is a correct to say the consultant. You give room for somebody to say, Adam McKinney. Who is calling you my boy for me? I call him confirm saying you can say, Kennedy, me can and you moving forward in the day one. But I say, one more, I actually, the 2 and 9 into a name, number of the Jama. Where is the answer? Say, oh, yeah, I'm not like can answer. But now, we didn't see it. Now, no, if I'm getting to try radio soon, I can't more friends and you go down. And then they are going to say, well, now we're going to be able to go to you. Or can say so until you was an oversight. What I said. The media. I don't know, for me, I think it's who conceived that might be a problem. But who didn't communicate well with his name and shame?
Say no, you want the party to name and shame that person. Ebia, ye de jumadi and share and say, only honorable Ken and Kasa, one number Kasa. Is that the person you are calling for?
Because you want to reconcile the ranking party, the ranking party together. Is that the civil to be trained? I said, that's who the team Yaman on my trade, but team Bahofa on my trade, the boss will be at. And the area you move in say, and yet, of this, the better team for what you have to say, and Yagan and Bofaya Juma. You are not going to show a very Zuka and you pay the committee, any chambers, and the party there. And you will run, and you are going to you. You will know it here. Your quiet, you will run. And I said, because the job pay quite description again. Again, a committee depends on. This is important for him to prepare before he comes to the committee and deliver his best. Or me, I believe that the MPD is on the right track and that's why we will get there.
And you know, when you see, was Ken hurt?
No.
He wasn't hurt.
No, he loved the right. It's not one of these. We go to social media, we go to Yamania. Until everybody who's in a final, maybe fair, you have to get to know content, that decision has been taken.
No, only maybe reason why I asked that question is that Dr. Brenda Champon openly has come out to say he was consulted. And again, who else again? Kwabena Japan has also come out to say really they were consulted, and I believe it will be so for the other two, other one, Dr. Yahweh Duchum, also listening to him, he was also consulted. So Kena or no young consultant, no, you don't think that he would be hurt?
The man in Japan, you don't know him too well. Hanging the dog and just giving him a bad name. I'm telling you, he loves the right. He just loves the right. He just loves the right. He will go back to the community. He just loves the right. To work on Chrome, appointment where is an endorsement of the man, is an endorsement that is the Jimmy and Iola. It's an endorsement. It's immediate. The American say, moving forward, Kennedy actually say, oh, you put yourself in shoes. You even now you go because and now because the media when you are more money. Oh, you need to judge you and see I don't mind. I want to speak for you.
Okay.
But what I want to say is that moving forward, he's also one of the senior party before. So I'm personally family of mania. Why the boss how money not get one time? Or say that again you mistake and now. Year in your swan. When you have a customer, a Japanese Japan, that's a complete Japan again. And no, they will move for it. Let's not drag and just want to rubbish everything. Say, I'm going to manage then about it. Those kind of talks, it's not good. It's not good. And if you don't move, I let you hear about 24. It's the best. Say, yeah, go ahead. And I'm over there. The whole come and talk.
Okay.
And I'm over there. They will do a store. Why you careful? Now, we don't listen to the Kennedy. I also show you say, and yeah, you know, other guys are on.
All right.
You will show to use Kennedy. We'll talk about you. Not talk about. You will not talk about this one.
Okay. I mean, now I say, Sir Omar Hokama, you were calling for reconciliation. You say, maybe more, oh, party, no, be more now, would the attempt, Casam Guno, so 7 previous, they be more car can say, you be an dream money and those things. So now, Momo Camp, you are asking for a reconciliation.
You see, it is not about Camp. This is the camping baby. I am a party chairman.
Okay.
And now for the party structure, to say for any party, a young chairman for me, one for council, any other party, another.
Yeah.
And the year campus, I need to. You're going to be put me as a regional rep. When you in the transit, you say, I overstep my boundaries. So the young can tell me, can incline. You better party. The two are morning governor for you come on the way yes. After the year to do. Engineer campus and again before in the name of politics and maybe the capitalizing it when you should be able to genuinely say, let me ensure this on picture. No, who will be one of picture? You may be one to anybody back on my path and got the way you do way you do of the country, where you say my new. Them contact, but I got a PSL and go for each other. Yes, if you have one judge, and you may be them talk on my path. If somebody changes you muscle, you can know. And you know after knowing you will cut out like a capital of the party, you muscle. You don't just close the eye in the name of politics community. Then what did you have done for the community? They don't know what community. Now you go to the meeting, I hit you. Now so for me, pure song compatible. Let's do a song set in our stadium. Kennedy can't say, I'm really there. And maybe by the disease of one of them, why I need to hear all my Jenny. Some people are against that playing, but I didn't have any. Don't feel it there, or yes, so set you. I need one of the end of my job. But we are saying something. Yeah, you should do so setting ourselves. Say, I buy a coin, they got only a catapfire. You moving boy, and you should have been in the same. Yeah, Queen, you know, and you'll be able to put your job. Who about your mom? Anyone who wants your and never did.
All right, Chairman Kwesi, my fine common and say, I want to thank you so much for joining the conversation this afternoon. But once again, belated happy birthday to you. Why? But yeah, you say share.
Where have you been in advance? I'm there Sunday and belated happy. Oh,
there be a Sunday Momo.
Sunday the travel our 28 years.
Oh, and now Chairman Kwesi Boku na someone okay. Me met me a comedy actually radio. So now how on saying?
Me my car for 28 years.
Yeah, Chairman Kwesi Boku madam was in the pass on my don't think about.